Good morning, guys. So I'm back at it at the airport with my camera. We vlogging. We about to catch a flight. So I'm about to get through the terminal, and once I get through the terminal, I check in my bags, I get my ticket and everything. I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all and let y'all know where I'm going, what I'm going for, what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get my ticket. It's an airport full of people. It's good to see the economy up and running. Good morning, guys. So I'm currently in the airport. I finally made it through TSA and stopped at Dunkin' Donuts to get some breakfast. The airport is so busy today. So I got me an unsweetened iced tea. I got me a sesame seed bagel with light cream cheese. So I made it to my hotel right over there. The entrance is right over there. I'm staying at the Hard Rock Hotel in Hollywood, Florida. So I came out here for a business trip. It's not really a vacation, but like my life is a vacation. Okay. So it's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't feel like 10 o'clock in the morning, but you guys, I'm so annoyed because I'm already spending like extra money because I forgot to like shave and whatnot. So I had to spend like $30 just on some shaving cream, a razor, some baby oil, you know. But you know, I gotta get the boat in motion, you know what I'm saying? So right now it's currently nice weather. As you can see, look at me. I'm so like straight from New York. It's hot out here and I'm over here with covered up in clothes. So I'm just waiting until they say I could check into my room, and then I'm gonna change my clothes. I'm also waiting for my McDonald's. I ordered me a sausage McGriddle with cheese, a hash brown, and an iced coffee. It literally does not feel like it's the morning time. I've been up since yesterday, so that's why I only got to sleep on the plane. But you guys, so today for the most part, I'm just gonna be getting dressed and creating content. So I have a few outfits. I did a try on haul for y'all, so I'm gonna definitely try to get the try on haul out before I put this video out. So I'm gonna wait for my breakfast. I'm gonna do some work. I'm gonna find a nice area with a nice view so I can sit down and do some homework real quick. And then I'm gonna get dressed and it's time to take pictures. So I'm gonna see you guys in a few. Hey you guys, so it's currently 11:10 a.m. and I still haven't been able to check into my room. So right now I'm applying to an internship. So I'm about to apply to that internship. Hopefully by the time I'm done and I send it in, they say the room is ready. Once the room is ready, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get dressed to take some photos. So I'll see you guys once I get in the room to give you guys a room tour. So that's what you guys are gonna see in the next clip. Safe Sound room has been sanitized and sealed for your protection. Thank you very much. Da-da-da-da. Here is our suite. So we walk in. So ooh, okay, this is what I like to see. So we walk in, we got it looks like a jacuzzi tub. I don't know, I don't see no bubbles. No thing for no bubbles. But it's a nice spacious tub. I got this in my room. Look at this. My mama bought me this. I got a little luxury in my life. And here is our king size bed. So much space. So much space. I don't know about this bed though. I'm a little long. This bed's short. We got a table over here. And then we got a TV. We got some drawers. Some nice drawers. Then we got another mirror. I could probably do my makeup over here like a little vanity. Then we have a coffee machine. Wake up in the morning, make a little coffee. You don't gotta go downstairs and around the corner and everywhere. Then over here we have a backyard view. We get to see the back of the building. It's a little gloomy outside today. And then we have a couch. Little couch, little relax. Sit back, watching TV if you want to. We have a nice little lounge bench. If I want to sit at the end of the bed and watch the TV, I can do that. And then over here, you guys ready? Let's see, I wonder, I'm in for a surprise. I want a walk-in closet. Well, I could do some walking in, all right? Nice, it'll give you a light so you can see what you're gonna be wearing. Nice little hangers, we got the iron board. Essentials, I love, you see, it's very much giving sweet because of the light. You're not gonna get no regular room with lights in your closet, okay? So this is sweet essential. And then as you can see over here, it's like a over wall in between the bathroom and the room. And then over here, we forgot about this over here. We got a nice full mirror. And yeah. So you guys, that's the room tour here at the Hard Rock Hotel. And I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated and let you guys know what else is going on. So currently I'm about to get dressed to go take some pictures, style and profile a little bit around the way. So I'm gonna see you guys once I'm dressed. Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come update you guys while I do my makeup. So I just took a shower, I had to shave and everything, washed off my flight, and now I'm just getting ready for the night. Oh hey y'all, so this is my outfit for today. This outfit is from Three Little Things, the jumper and the shoes. So we're about to go take some pictures, so come with me y'all, let's go take some pictures. Hey you guys, so I'm on my way to dinner to the Boyle, and this is the outfits. So I've been giving y'all looks. I haven't been really recording, but I'm recording now. So yeah, I'm on my way to the boil. This is the look, so I can take some pictures later. And I'll see you guys once I get to the restaurant. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Help my channel get to 1,000 subscribers.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me.
Hey you guys, so I just finished eating at the boil and I'm about to take some pictures. Hey you guys, so my short trip is coming to an end. I'm heading to the airport right now. So I was here for 2 days. I came, I did what I had to do. You guys are gonna be seeing the content, so stay tuned. And I'm waiting for my lift right now to go back to New York. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Mwah. Bye.